I've stretched this Nero as far as I can. I think it is time to frantically pack. I think I've got 20 minutes or so to get out of this room. So I gotta get moving. I got a food drop tomorrow morning to pick up. So just enough to get me through today and tomorrow morning. And last but not least, final check of the room. Don't think there's anything left in here. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat and then head back to the trail. That was a successful 0, and I am now on my way into the Matane Wilderness area. My plans are up in the air because it is supposed to rain tomorrow, rain the next day, and pour like 25 or 30 millimeters of rain following day. So I think I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. But my plan is to get to Post John and then sort of hang out there this afternoon and then see what I come up with for a plan. And so it begins. Heading into the wilderness after a few more kilometers of road walking. Not exactly sure how long this goes on, but I think it's a few kilometers of just walking along the, I think it's the Matane River. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is just going to be a leisurely stroll today, soaking up the sun. Not really mentally prepared for days of rain yet. So I think I'm going to just go with the flow, take as much sun as I can get. Thinking I'm going to get to Post John not too late in the day, maybe just like lay around in the field for a bit. I can't even remember if they have a field, but I feel like they should have a field with some shade. And I think there's a store there, so maybe a little Gatorade or some kind of cold drink, hopefully. And yeah, let's see what happens. Some guy just walked me down to show me where I could see some salmon, and I saw one that was probably about 3 feet long. It was huge, but it's underneath the water, so you can't really see it with a camera. I'm at Post John, which is like 1.3 kilometers from the shelter. And I am gonna stay here until bedtime, basically. It's dark around 8. I'll probably stay here till like 7:30. Have supper, do everything I need here, and then just head there and go to sleep. The wilderness gets harder as it goes on, and the rain's gonna get stronger. So I'm thinking maybe if I get as many kilometers done in the easier part with the least amount of rain, then as it gets harder and rainier, I can slow down and I'll still be able to stay on schedule. I'm just gonna hang out here. There's cell phone service, battery charging, washrooms, running water, everything you need. Black flies are just starting to get annoying, so I think I'm gonna hide in this little room for a little bit and have some supper. Looks like I'm all charged up.